Hi and welcome to my channel, Stevo's Positive Vibes. How are you doing today? It's just a quick video on how to turn anger and a frustrating day and turn it to your advantage. Now this is very important if you want to make every day count, because you are going to get days when you're angry, when you're frustrated and things aren't going well, but this can be turned into a positive force and a force for good for you. So basically, what you really need to do is, instead of ruminating, instead of actually turning the day over and over again in your head, like many people do, they'll sit there, they'll stew, they'll think, could have done this, coulda, woulda, shoulda, this could have happened if I'd have said this, and then that would have happened. But to be honest, that never really works, and it only leads to frustration, which in turn leads to higher cortisol levels, which in turn leads to high blood pressure and a stressful state. Okay, so what you need to do is, in order to fuel that anger, fuel that energy, and turn it positive, write a journal. Work on a chapter of your latest book that you're writing. Make a video, or write a blog, write anything. Just channel that energy into something, a force for good. So, and when you do that, you see, you're not taking your anger and frustration out on other people, like your family, your partner. We all know it's hard at the moment. The lockdown, I know the lockdown is finishing, it's coming to the final, hopefully, the end of the lockdowns, but it's all very easy when everybody's cooped up together to get a little bit frustrated with one another. But just think of the long-term repercussions of not expressing your anger in a positive way. And if anger is expressed in a negative way, then nobody benefits. So, write a book, do a blog, go for a run, weight train, do anything in order to channel that energy in a positive way. When you channel your energy in a positive way, you encourage endorphin release in your brain. You encourage serotonin levels and a sense of achievement, which is associated with dopamine release. As opposed to increased cortisol levels and glucose and higher adrenaline levels with anger, which nobody wants. So just make your day as positive as can be. And if you want long-term solutions, you can come to a website and book a course with me on life coaching or meditation. I'll leave the details in the link below. But until then, have a great day. As I say, channel your energy positively. Don't let things get you down, and learn from all experiences. Okay, until then, take care, have a good one, see you the next time.